super stable ironing table with a super wide elliptical surface, allowing you to use both sides of the shoulder shape, and which is even suitable for ironing whilst sitting down. You can simply leave the iron on the ironing table, as this has a heat-resistant parking zone, ensuring no brown marks are left on your cover. The clever ironing table has a safety lock, which ensures it can't accidentally collapse, a must-have product when you have young children. Plus, the frame lock prevents the ironing table folding out when that isn't your intention. The worktop is 135 cm by 45 cm at its widest point. The width allows for easy ironing, and the height is continuously adjustable from 61 to 102 centimeters. The cover is always taut and perfectly fitting. Super stylish replacement covers are available too. This is an ironing table with a wide ironing surface, perfect for regular use. And the quality is fantastic, which is why this ironing table comes with a 10-year guarantee. The ironing table is ultra-stable, has a metal iron rest which can hold all standard-sized steam irons in a diagonal position and is suitable for both left and right-handed use. The handy cotton cover has an elastic foam layer and has been produced in such a way that it will always remain tautly in position. The clever ironing table has a safety lock which ensures it can't accidentally collapse, a must-have product when you have young children. Plus, the frame lock prevents the ironing table folding out when that isn't your intention. The steam-permeable worktop is 124 by 38 centimeters. The height can be adjusted in 7 different steps, from 69 to 96 centimeters, and perfectly fitting and super stylish replacement covers are available too.